welcome to FT Collision's Tip of the Week. This week we're going to be discussing on what to do after an accident and where to take your vehicle. While some insurance companies actually try to push you into the direction that they want you to take your vehicle, you actually do have the choice and you can choose where you would like to take your vehicle to get it repaired. Here at FT Collision, all insurance claims are welcome. Now here's the beauty of our shop. If you go to ftcollision.com, you can book your appointment now and set up a time to come in and get your free estimate, or by going to ftcollision.com, you can actually click on free estimates, fill out some information, attach a few pictures, and you can get your free online quote within 24 to 48 hours. You can also call us at 708-418-5840, and you can schedule an appointment to come in and have our estimate done here as well, so you can walk out with all of your information right there. Thanks for watching, and feel free to give us a call so we can get you back up and running. Because here at FT Collision, just because we met by accident doesn't mean that we're not family. Thanks again.